Hi there, how are you doing today?
Good.
You here to help me?
Yeah.
You think you could get in that drawer that's open and grab that wrench for me?
Okay. This drawer?
Yes.
Oh. Which wrench?
No, the one that's sitting on the top there. There you go.
Oh. Who are these two? Are they relatives?
This is your great-grandmother, Charlie, and this is her sister, J.C. If I remember right, this was taken after their first bounty.
Well, look here, if you're not scared, he's wanted dead or alive. So we can rope this bastard up and take him in.
All right, pick a direction. Let's get back on the trail.
What are you gonna do with your half of the money? I want to buy my girls a proper farm.
I'm telling you, Charlie, they ain't gonna give no money to female bounty hunters. They think killing is a man's job.
Grandpa, what happens next?
They tracked them for 4 days until they finally caught up with them.
Is that the right guy?
You hit him with a bottle, and you don't know if it's the right guy. What if he's dead?
He was wearing a hat. Give me the paper.
That's the guy that shot my horse.
It's gotta be him.
That's him.
You don't know who you're dealing with. Put those guns down before you hurt yourselves.
Says right here, you're Chris Turnaby.
You think a couple of dumb bitches like you are gonna turn me in? Who do you think you are?
We're not the dumb bitches that are gonna take you in.
We're the ladies that are gonna take you out.
You don't have the bull.
What happened next?
Well, hon, they got their bounty. The rumor has it that the girls brought 23 fugitives to justice in their day. And the legend of the Sullivan sisters began.